In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find shortcuts in TradingView. If you want to work faster on your charts and make navigation easier, knowing where to find the keyboard shortcuts menu in TradingView can save you a lot of time. The good news is that it's very simple to access once you know where to look. First, go to TradingView and open the platform as you normally would. Make sure you're on the charting screen because that's where you'll be able to access the shortcut options most easily. Once you're inside TradingView, take a moment to get oriented with the layout. You'll see the chart in the main area along with toolbars and menu options around the edges of the screen. This is helpful because the shortcut settings are not hidden too deeply, but you do need to know the right area to check. Next, look toward the top left corner of the screen. This part of the interface contains important navigation and account-related controls. If you're following along, just pause for a second and scan that area carefully so you don't miss the icon you need. From there, click on your profile. This will open a menu with different options connected to your account and platform settings. If you don't immediately recognize it, look for the profile icon or avatar in that top section. After opening the profile menu, click on Keyboard Shortcuts. This will bring up the section where TradingView lists the available shortcut commands. This is the main area you'll use whenever you want to learn a faster way to perform an action on the platform. Next, find the shortcut that you need. You can do this by checking the list and looking for the command related to the action you want to perform, whether that's chart navigation, drawing tools, switching views, or other common tasks. Taking a minute to learn the shortcuts you use most often can make your workflow much smoother over time, or if you're not looking for one specific shortcut, you can simply browse through all the shortcut categories. This is a great option if you want to discover useful commands you may not have known existed. Browsing the categories can help you pick up productivity tips naturally and improve how quickly you move around inside TradingView. And that's it. That's how to find shortcuts in TradingView. Once you know where this menu is, you can come back to it anytime and gradually memorize the shortcuts that fit your trading style best.